walking up the bars right now. That looks good. I like it. All we gotta do is tack weld them up, and then should be good to go. We'll paint it up. This is what happens when you don't have a hole saw. What you got here, buddy?
Little by little.
A little bit more grinding.
A lot more.
Why? Oh yeah, there we go. That's close. It's not bad, but... Oh yeah, not bad. We can just grind it down a little bit and make it flush.
Fill the gap.
Yep. Cut up this flat stock real quick. Make pieces to put down here. Expert welders in the comments will disagree though.
See, I know it works like I did it the other day.
That's a nice ground clamp too. Alright, let's check them welds. Oh, shit! Go ahead. They're good. We're just gonna clean them off real quick. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's not bad. That's a lot to fill in. I didn't get through. Gonna notch this piece of metal out. Oh yeah. Nice little notch there. I'm waiting for Dustin to get done with that side. And then I'm gonna do the other side. See if I can't get some practice in from ag mechanics back in high school days. Practice my welds. Get back in that shit. And let me get into this welding. My turn. Say I didn't do a bad job for like 10 plus years of not welding. It's alright. I still gotta do this side over here. think this is a piece to go over here. Put the flat stock right here. Just gonna cover this. He's just cutting it up right now. All right, show me where this goes. Oh, very nice, sir. Let me go on the other side. Oh yeah, I dig it. Now we just weld. Lots of welding in this episode, guys. Lots of welding, but we get shit done. Roll bar is almost complete. Just gotta put the other bar in. Finishing up the last bit of welding, I guess. Well, we gotta do this piece over here on this side, and then I'm doing the bar, roll bar. Ow! It burns! Ow! Got the tool! I fucking loaded it on there. Oh, there's a bed.
Pressure's on fire.
You're burning! You burn it!
It's gone.
Dustin's finishing up the crossbar. It goes across here. It's looking really good. I'm satisfied. I'm actually happy that I got to do some work actually for once. It's about time. Got to do my own work on my car too. But I'll be helping him with his car when time comes. We go over to work on Frank. But that's what it looks like. Yeah! Roll bar is finished. Looks really good. All we got left to do is get more pipe, put a cross member here, right here. Yeah, exactly. What Ryan's doing right there. That's how we want it. For this side and that side. Thank you, sir.
You can go up to there.
That's not bad either.
So like, but it comes in the cross member there. We can do our X.
I'm down with it. I don't care.
I don't want to go here to here.
That'd be smart too. We'll just get a bunch more piping, tubing, and can tube it all up.
We need the harness bar.
Yeah.
We can go off the top of the harness bar now.
Alright, I'm gonna paint some of this. He's still hot. Alright guys, this is where I end the video. We will be back within like a day or two to finish this up. But the trunk needs a little bit of work, but it'll be alright. It's all together. The roll bar is finished. Looks good. Thank you, Dustin.
Welcome.
Thanks guys for help. Oh, we didn't do this. We'll do this in like a couple days. 2 days. We'll do it over here. Finish it up. But make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll be back with more.